Unleash the power of ChatGPT, a game changer for your business. Imagine having a tireless assistant available 24/7, ready to generate creative content, answer customer inquiries, and even help you generate leads. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can revolutionize your business. ChatGPT is changing how businesses operate, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, ChatGPT can become an invaluable asset. Discover how this cutting-edge technology can transform your business and propel you towards success. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile tool that can automate tasks, boost productivity, and enhance customer engagement. By understanding its capabilities, you can unlock a world of possibilities for your business. From generating marketing copy to providing personalized customer service, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of tasks. Embrace the power of AI and discover how ChatGPT can become your ultimate business companion. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and practical tips to harness the full potential of ChatGPT. Learn how to leverage this incredible tool for lead generation, content creation, and more. Discover the secrets to crafting effective prompts and maximizing your results. Get ready to transform your business with the power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, your secret weapon for lead generation and content creation. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any business, and without a steady stream of potential customers, growth can stagnate. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in attracting potential customers, providing you with the tools to reach out effectively. By crafting targeted prompts, you can generate compelling content that captures attention and drives conversions, ensuring your message resonates. ChatGPT can help you create personalized messages, engaging social media posts, and persuasive marketing copy that speaks directly to your audience. Discover how to leverage this powerful tool to generate high-quality leads and grow your business, making your marketing efforts more efficient. Content creation can be time-consuming and challenging, often requiring significant effort and creativity, but ChatGPT can simplify the process and empower you to produce engaging content with ease, freeing up your time for other critical tasks. From blog posts and articles to social media updates and email newsletters, ChatGPT can generate a wide range of content formats tailored to your needs. This versatility allows you to maintain a consistent and dynamic online presence, keeping your audience engaged. By providing clear instructions and relevant keywords, you can guide ChatGPT to create content that resonates with your target audience, ensuring relevance and impact. This strategic approach helps you refine your content strategy and align it with your business goals, maximizing effectiveness. Unlock the potential of AI-powered content creation and save valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on growth and innovation. ChatGPT can also assist with crafting compelling calls to action that encourage conversions, driving your audience to take the next step. By incorporating strong CTAs into your content, you can guide your audience towards desired actions, such as engaging with your brand. This can include signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting your sales team, all crucial for business success. Effective CTAs are essential for converting interest into action, and ChatGPT can help you craft these with precision. Learn how to use ChatGPT to create effective CTAs that drive results, enhancing your marketing efforts. Maximize the impact of your content and boost your conversion rates with ChatGPT, turning potential leads into loyal customers. Beyond lead generation and content creation, ChatGPT can also be used for customer service, market research, and even product development. Its versatility makes it an invaluable asset for businesses of all sizes, providing solutions across various functions. Explore the diverse applications of ChatGPT and discover how it can transform various aspects of your business, from operations to customer engagement. Its adaptability ensures that it can meet the unique needs of your business regardless of industry or size. Unlock the full potential of this powerful AI tool and gain a competitive edge in the market, staying ahead of the curve. Embrace the future of business with ChatGPT and watch your company thrive in an increasingly digital world. Setting the stage, defining your ChatGPT goals. Before diving into using ChatGPT, it's essential to take a step back and think about what you want to achieve. It's crucial to define your goals and objectives. This will serve as your roadmap and keep you focused. What do you hope to achieve with this powerful tool? Are you looking to streamline customer service, enhance user engagement, or perhaps drive more sales? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or improving customer satisfaction, having clear goals will guide your ChatGPT strategy. This clarity will help you stay on track and measure your success. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, you can track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your ChatGPT campaigns. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your efforts. Once you've established your overall goals, it's important to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach makes it easier to tackle each task and see progress. This will help you create targeted prompts and instructions for ChatGPT. Clear and concise prompts lead to better responses. For example, if your goal is to generate leads, you might break it down into steps like creating engaging social media posts, crafting personalized email campaigns, and developing targeted landing pages. Each of these steps can be further broken down into specific tasks. By focusing on specific actions, you can maximize the effectiveness of your ChatGPT interactions. This targeted approach ensures that your efforts are aligned with your goals. Consider the specific needs of your target audience and tailor your ChatGPT prompts accordingly. Understanding your audience is key to success. What are their pain points? What are their interests? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them and drives engagement. This connection will help build trust and loyalty. Use ChatGPT to craft personalized messages that address their specific needs and offer valuable solutions. Personalization is a powerful tool. Regularly evaluate your progress and make adjustments as needed. Continuous improvement is essential for long-term success. Is ChatGPT helping you achieve your goals? Are there any areas where you could improve your prompts or instructions? Regular reviews will help you identify opportunities for enhancement. By continuously monitoring your results and making refinements, you can optimize your ChatGPT usage and maximize your return on investment. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges. Stay adaptable and embrace the iterative nature of working with AI. Flexibility will help you stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. Section 4. Lead Generation Magic Crafting Compelling Prompts with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for lead generation, but it's essential to craft compelling prompts that elicit the desired responses. Start by clearly defining your target audience and their needs. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? By understanding your audience, you can create prompts that resonate with them and capture their attention. Use action-oriented language in your prompts to encourage engagement and conversions. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write about lead generation, try something like, create a compelling social media post that encourages users to download our free ebook on lead generation strategies. By providing specific instructions and using action verbs, you can guide ChatGPT to generate content that drives results. Incorporate relevant keywords and phrases into your prompts to ensure that your content is optimized for search engines. This will help you attract organic traffic and generate more leads. Research the keywords that your target audience is using and incorporate them strategically into your prompts. Experiment with different prompt formats and styles to see what works best for your business. Try asking open-ended questions, providing specific examples, or using a conversational tone. By testing different approaches, you can discover the most effective ways to use ChatGPT for lead generation. Don't be afraid to iterate and refine your prompts based on the results you achieve. Section 5. Content Creation Powerhouse. Generating engaging content with ease. ChatGPT can be a game changer for content creation, enabling you to generate high-quality content quickly and easily. This powerful tool can transform the way you approach writing, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. Whether you need blog posts, articles, website copy, or social media updates, ChatGPT can help you create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. It can adapt to various tones and styles, ensuring that your content is always on brand. By providing clear instructions and relevant keywords, you can guide ChatGPT to produce content that aligns with your brand voice and messaging. This ensures consistency across all your platforms, which is crucial for building a strong brand identity. Use ChatGPT to overcome writer's block and generate fresh ideas for your content. It can provide a new perspective and spark creativity when you're feeling stuck. If you're struggling to come up with a topic or angle for your next blog post, simply ask ChatGPT for suggestions. It can offer a variety of angles and topics that you might not have considered. You might be surprised by the creative and insightful ideas that it generates. These ideas can help you stand out in a crowded content landscape. ChatGPT can be a valuable brainstorming partner, helping you unlock your creative potential. It can assist in developing content strategies and planning editorial calendars. Leverage ChatGPT to create different content formats, catering to various platforms and audience preferences. This versatility allows you to reach a wider audience and engage them in different ways. From short-form social media captions to long-form blog posts, ChatGPT can adapt to different writing styles and content lengths. This flexibility is key to maintaining a dynamic and engaging content strategy. Experiment with different formats and see what resonates best with your audience. Analyzing engagement metrics can help you refine your approach and improve your content over time. Repurpose existing content with ChatGPT. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your best performing content reaches a broader audience. If you have a blog post that performed well, you can use ChatGPT to turn it into a social media thread, an infographic, or even a short video script. This multi-format approach can significantly boost your content's visibility. By repurposing your content, you can extend its reach and maximize its impact. This strategy helps you get the most out of your content creation efforts. Save time and resources by leveraging your existing assets. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on what truly matters, engaging your audience and growing your brand. Section 6. Wrapping up and call to action. Thank you for watching. Master ChatGPT for business lead generation and content creation tips. We hope you found these insights valuable. From discovering the transformative power of ChatGPT for your business to learning how to craft compelling prompts and generate engaging content, you've gained the tools to elevate your brand's online presence. Remember, the key to success lies in consistent and strategic use of these techniques. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your business. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos designed to empower your business growth. Engage with us in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that truly resonates with you. See you next time, and until then, happy content creating.